In the previous video, I showed you how to bring in the survey and set it up in the MicroStation file. Here, we're going to make a new drawing. It's going to be our active working drawing. We'll call it Plans and then the project name. Okay. Now we're going to reference in the survey that we set up in the last video in this default drawing. So go to References, Attach, choose the survey. We'll make the logical name Survey. And bring it in full size. Okay, so now we're going to want to bring an aerial in with this. So we're going to go to nc1map.com, click on the geospatial portal, and download imagery. Now we're going to zoom in to where our project site is. And we're going to draw a polygon around where we want our imagery. Type in your email address and hit download. Then you'll receive an email saying your request is ready to download. Click on the link to download the imagery. Now you're going to want to bring that imagery into the aerial folder. So now we're going to go to the raster manager, attach a raster, find the aerial that you just downloaded and saved in the project folder, and open it and attach. Now we have our aerial imagery in. Whatever you have as your active layer when you bring in the imagery is what layer the imagery would be on. So now we're going to set up a sheet. So go to Models, create a new model, and this is going to be a sheet. I'm just going to call it Practice Sheet. And we're going to make the description and the reference logical the same. For now, we're going to bring it in full size, and we're going to make it an Arch D, which is 24 by 36. So here's our sheet. We're going to reference in the survey, bring it in full size. So now, when you zoom the extents, you see that the sheet's here and the survey is over here tied to grid. So we want to move the sheet to where the survey is, so the survey stays tied to grid. So click on Move, select the sheet, and bring it over here to the survey. And you see that the sheet's at a much different scale than the survey. So we're going to go back over here to Properties, and we're going to change the scale to 1 inch equals 20 feet. Now you see the sheet's more on the same scale as the survey. We're going to move it to here. Okay. Now we're going to bring the title block in. Our title blocks are in P, Templates, CAD, Power Civil Standards, CAD Details, Title Blocks. So you're going to want to copy the 24 by 36 inch sheet title block into the CAD folder. So this one stays as it is, and you have one that you can edit in your folder here. So now we're going to go to the References, and we're going to attach this 24 by 36 inch title block we just copied in. And we're going to want it to also be at 1 inch equals 20 feet. Give a logical name of title block, and bring it in. So Now when we zoom out, we see our title blocks down here. So we're going to want to move it up to where our drawing is. And snap it in place. So now we have our working drawing set up and a sheet set up. So you're ready to continue with your project.